So this is the body that I designed. I made it very simple just so I could assemble all the parts together. We have here the pocket so I can put the servo in. I will be using this linear servo, and the servo will actually sit right here, kind of in the middle. This is the steering mechanism. I've designed it to where the knuckles will spin. Now for the rear motor, I was thinking about actually making this coupler a little bit shorter, but when I had it shorter, I was not able to glue the shafts in properly, and there was a lot of wobble in it, so I made it a little bit taller, and so the motor was supposed to sit like that. So now there's this big interference here in the back, and so it doesn't quite line up to where the fender well will be. Now for the receiver, I bought these connectors here, and these are perfect to use because the cover is actually really big, so I can just plug these in, cut this in half, and use the other end for the other channels. The linear servo sits too far back, and so I'm not able to turn the steering wheel that good. So now I'm going to switch over to a rotating servo. After swapping out to a rotating servo, my steering is a lot better compared to the linear servo, and I basically just have everything tied here and the receiver set on top of the motor. That makes it so much easier for me to put the cover on. And so now we can do a test to see if we have all the controls. Okay, now I have my steering is responding, my motor is responding great, and let's see, I have my lights. So now the real test is to see if the motor is able to carry this GoPro, which is pretty heavy. I haven't weighed it yet to see how much it weighs, but the GoPro along with this plastic piece here will sit right here in the front. So it looks like it's doing just fine.